So guys, in this video we'll be taking advantage of this SC load driver privilege. Generally this privilege will be given to the printer operators, so those users can create the printer, share the printer, and can also delete the printer. They have this SC load driver privilege. Instead of loading a driver, we will load our malicious binary. So before doing that, we need to make sure we have downloaded few files. The first one is enable SC load driver privilege. So Google like this and you will get this GitHub repository. So open this one. So this is the CPP file, and click on draw and copy the URL. So we need to add this registry key, the Capcom image path variable, and the value is capcom.sys and the type is 1. So let's create our new folder. Let's say this printer operator. Now we can just open the command prompt in this, and we need to download this file. Let's say PowerShell duplicate, use basic parsing, and now hit enter. I think we need to specify the output destination. And now hit enter, and now you can see the CPP file has been downloaded. So before running this binary, we need to add these two keys, so we will be doing that later. So the next file we are going to download is capcom.sys file. So you can actually download this one. So our driver has been ready, and next one is we are going to download the exploit Capcom. Now open this one. So inside this exploit Capcom, we have this solution file. We need to compile it using the Visual Studio. So let's download this zip file. Now right click on this 7-zip, extract to this folder. Okay, now I think we have downloaded everything. So let's compile this enable SC load driver privileges CPP file. So you need to install the Visual C++. So then you can execute this cl.exe. Actually this cl.exe is in the Visual Studio, so I highly recommend you to install the Visual Studio Enterprise or Community Edition. The Community Edition is free. So all you need to do is cl.exe, you need to specify the Unicode switches, and lastly the file name. Now hit enter, and you can see we got some fatal error, windows.h not include path set. So we will be adding some includes. So let's edit this. So these are the include files we need to add to this CPP file. So just copy this and remove all this, and you can paste them. I think we are just adding some few SDDL and stdio. So now save this file. So let's run this again, and still we get the windows.h no include path set. So to solve this error, open File Explorer, C program files x86, Visual Studio, 2019 enterprise, and here go to VC auxiliary build. So open the command prompt here. So now what we are going to do is we are going to run this vcvar64.bat. So this will set up all the environment variables so that we can compile that into binary. So okay, environment has been initialized for x64. So let's cd into our directory. Now let's try to compile again. And now you can see we got the executable. So okay, we have got executable. Now let's try to compile this exploit Capcom. Open this solution in the Visual Studio. So you can open a project or solution, go to downloads, now what you want to do is right click on this and click on build. So now you can see build once succeeded. So if you go to the directory, you can see x64 debug, and we have the binary exploit capcom.ac. So you can I think we need to download another thing, that is driver viewer. So go to this Nearsoft, and this will list all the drivers. So you can go scroll down and you can download the two versions. So that's all about downloading the files. Now let's go and exploit this privilege. So alright guys, now let's do how to exploit that one. So let's type who am I, and we are the print service. So let's see who am I /priv to see the user's privileges. And here we have the SC load driver privilege, but the state has been disabled. So before enabling this load driver privilege, we need to first add our Capcom driver. So you can transfer those tools from Kali Linux to this Windows box. You can use the PowerShell for that, or you can just simply host the directory via SMB share, and you can copy them to this Windows box. So we have the capcom.sys driver view and enabled SC load privilege exe and EOP load driver. So this is automation tool which can do entire process for us. So first we need to add two registry keys. It's in the current user, in the system, current control set, and here we need to add the new one, let's say Capcom, and the variable name is image path. And the data of this value should be this one, C tools capcom.sys. Okay, the path has already been there. Now we need to uh, override this one. Now type yes and hit enter. Now we are going to add another value, that is type. The value is 1. Now type yes and hit enter. Now we have added the driver successfully. So if you run the driver view.exe, by default it will open in the new window. So what you can do is you can say yes text to extract into the text, like text format, and let's say drivers.txt. So in this we are going to find for Capcom, find string, ignore case, Capcom. So there is no driver loaded. Now we need to enable this privilege, then the driver will automatically be loaded. So now run this, and now you can see S0 driver privilege is enabled. Now let's again get the output of driver view, and now let's find for Capcom. Okay, it still did not loaded. I think we did something wrong. We need to put the quotes. Okay, we did something wrong. Our driver has not been loaded. So let's go to this our and open this CPP file. Okay, there are some question marks, so we need to add this one. Sorry for that. Then run me to load the driver. So I think our driver has been loaded. So let's run this exploit Capcom. So this actually creates the service and run this. So run this, create file fail. So I think we need to enable this one. Now run this one again. So I think our driver should load now, but it failed. Oh, I'm sorry. I put it as C test. Okay, by default it's in the C test. We need to change it to tools. Hit enter. Now let's run this expert capcom.exe again, and now you can see we got the command prompt. Let's type who am I. So we are the system shell. So sorry for these errors. So first we did not include these question marks, and then we did not change the path, so that's why it's been summarized. So we got the system shell. So this is how you take advantage of this when you have the SC road driver privilege enabled.